You cannot compare yourself with everybody. You want to be making comedy skits or things like that. If you are not good at it, there is something you are good at. You only need to sit yourself down and discover yourself. What is my area of specialization? Forget about what is working for people. Think about yourself. What do I have? That's how to earn money online. For students, let me ask you this. How many hours do you spend online every day? What if I told you that some students are using the same time to make real money online, legally, safely, and without dropping out of school? Now, before you roll your eyes, this is not one of those get rich quick videos. No. It is the real deal. I know some people will disagree and say students should focus only on studying. But wait till you see how these online skills actually help you earn and learn at the same time. Before we go further, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not guaranteeing income or financial results. Your efforts, consistency, and learning will determine your success. Let us be honest. Being a student is expensive. Data subscriptions, books, transport, feeding, everything costs money. And the worst is many parents can't cover it all. They can't. So instead of complaining or waiting for allowance that barely lasts a week, why not learn how to earn money online as a student? The internet doesn't care about your age, background, or degree. It rewards skills and efforts. Some people think you need a laptop or very big capital, but it's not like that. This year, your smartphone alone you have is enough to start an online hustle. Now, before we talk about the methods, let's fix your mindset. Any online isn't magic. It is work. You will need consistency, patience, and focus. Think of it like learning a subject. The more you study, the better your results. So if you want quick money with no effort, then this video is not for you. But if you want a real, repeatable income stream, then keep watching this video. This might sound harsh, but the biggest reasons students stay broke is not lack of opportunity. It is a laziness in disguise as I don't know where to start. All right, let's get practical. Here are 5 ways to earn money online as a student and how to start right now. Number 1 is freelancing. This is where we talk about writing, designing for people, and editing for clients. Okay, don't worry. Let me just, if you have been following my tutorial, I usually use myself as a practical for tutoring, not talking about what's happening for some people. Let me show you something in my Facebook now. Here is one of my group for freelancing. It's one of the secrets of making legit money online. I created the group and people started joining from different countries. These white people, different from Asia countries, from US, Europe, and different places. Get one fact, I've not been serious with the group for once because I have many things. I just test run this and boom, I have been getting different job opportunities here. Look at this now. I say I need a logo designer, $300 to $400 per logo, and many more like that. I just use this as a sample. I actually get requests from people, and from here I have many people that do freelancing. Once they see that request, they will DM the person just to get the job. So it happens like that. Let's assume I have interest in something like this. If I DM this person that I can do it, this person will trust me more than every other group members. Do you agree? And that is not the only group I have. I have for different niche like that. I don't pay anybody money for this. Just created my group, optimized it very well, and people started joining. So you can offer simple services online. You can make use of Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook group, or even WhatsApp group. You can package yourself very well, run adverts, and people that have interest will connect with you. If you can write, design, edit videos, or create some social media post, people will surely pay for your skills. Do you know that some people here from Nigeria here, they make money simply by helping people manage their social media accounts, helping them to be posting on their Twitter, tweeting every day, posting on their Instagram, Facebook page, just to be the manager of their social media account, and they are making good amount of money every month. So when you start, you can stay with small gigs. Even $20 per task adds up quickly. Where some people say freelancing is too competitive, where that is true, but only for those who don't specialize. Pick one niche, get better than average, and you will stand out. The second one I want to give you is YouTube and content creation. Yes, even as a student, you can start a YouTube channel or TikTok page. Talk about your student life. Talk about your tech journey or review apps. There are many things. Look at how some contents nowadays now. You see some people, they make content when they wake up, even how they are undressing, how they are arranging their kitchen, living room, they went to bed, they record all those things, their movement before they go to school, they prepare food, everything. People just like entertaining. They like something entertaining, they like something to catch fun, just to be seeing you how you are doing everything. Yes, some people specialize in that content, and before you see, they have been making a lot of money. So if you can do this now, you can earn from adverts, brand deals, or through affiliate links. Don't forget, all from your dorm. Yes, all from your room. Some people think if you want to become a content creator, you need a fancy cameras. That is not true. When I started with my phone. It's not even up to date, just one fairly used phone like that I was managing. You can check out me. This is my YouTube channel. Go to old videos, go and check. You will see how I started. I started with nothing. I still repeat. So what matters most is consistency, not perfection. Consistency. The third one I want to give you is affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. Well, you can start with a platform like Expertnaire, Impact, or Amazon Associates. Learn to share helpful products, not spamming links, and you will earn trust and income. Some people think affiliate marketing is dead. I disagree with that. Only the lazy ones kill it by not learning copywriting or marketing basics. Hustle number 4 I want to give you is online tutoring. Online tutoring, oh my God, it's money. Let me show you something. Open your browser and search Sheyi Dairo. Enter. Then be checking down. This is about me, Sheyi Dairo. Good. Now look at it. Sheyi Dairo on Seller. Now let us open it. It's displaying my full course pack. Look at my full course pack. 640 Ghana cedis. But let me click on this to see all my online courses. Now look at it. Crypto trading. Funny thing, I don't know why it's showing in Ghana cedis. Maybe because of the browser I'm using. But anyway, it's Seller. So if you are watching from Nigeria, you will see it in Naira. If you are watching from Ghana, you see it in Ghana cedis. Any country you are watching it from, it will bring out your currency. Okay, so crypto trading, export business, wholesale here, vendor masterclass, business consultation, Dubai class, Philippines class, Vietnam class, China class, Alipay service, full course pack, which contain everything about importation from different countries, including gadget importation and export business, then digital marketing. Anything you want to know about digital marketing, content creation, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, how to run advert, everything. Now discounted to as cheap as I think maybe 65,000 naira such. So let's move on. India class, WeChat account. You don't have WeChat, you want to create WeChat account. You have rest of mind. Just go there, go and enroll. Digital skills toolkit. Then Bangladesh class, Turkey class, wholesale contacts. Can you see now? So which means I practice what I'm teaching, and I'm teaching what I am practicing. So if you want to be like me, just try to give me your full attention. Another way to make money online. Recently, I've been seeing one guy like that. You know what this guy does? He teach people mathematics. That's all. Only mathematics. Everybody know that mathematics is the problem of many students, and this guy dedicated himself to be teaching mathematics. Look at this guy. The guy have a lot of followers on every social media. Name it: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Let me tell you, this guy is he's making money. First, he used the opportunity to be a content creator, making money from different places. Second is, this guy will get freelancing job online. People will be paying this guy, please, can you be trained, from outside countries. So just by teaching mathematics, there is something you personally know. You are good at something. Just look at yourself. What is my area of specialization? Like, I know I am very good in this. You cannot compare yourself with everybody. You want to be making comedy skits or things like that. If you are not good at it, there is something you are good at. You only need to sit yourself down and discover yourself. What is my area of specialization? Forget about what is working for people. Think about yourself. What do I have that people will appreciate? Then turn it to content, use it to make money. So online tutoring, if you are good at it, you can make money. Just like what I'm doing now. Am I not tutoring you guys? I'm tutoring you, of course. And from tutoring you, do you know benefit I've gotten with this? Many of you will go and enroll for my course because I have trafficked you now to my course. You go and enroll for my course, and as a result, am I not making money? I'm making. That is not all. This content alone is monetized, which means YouTube will still pay me for this. Am I not making money? So if you want to be like me, make sure you give me a like on this video, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have questions, drop it for me in the comment section and I will respond to that as soon as possible. And if you want to connect with me, check the pinned comment. You see link to connect with me on WhatsApp so that we can be friends. So if you want to go for online tutoring, you can use platforms like tutoring, or even social media can connect you with students who will pay for your knowledge. Imagine earning while helping others to pass their exams. That is cool money. Most people underestimate how valuable their knowledge is until they see someone else making money teaching the same thing. Number 5, which I want to give you is selling digital products. This one is my favorite. Create ebooks, templates, study guides, or even mini courses. Then sell them on platforms like Seller or Gumroad. Gumroad. Search for it. Good thing about this is you create it once and sell forever. That is how digital income works. Some of my courses I showed you now, every day people patronize, enroll for my courses. You know why? Some of them, they got to know me through recommendation. People that have paid for my courses and happy, get value, able to achieve what they want. So when they see someone else that passing through some difficulties, they used to give them my contacts that connect with this guy, will help you. It's helping me till now. Recommendation and through YouTube. So even if you want to be creating content on YouTube or every other social media, you can go and enroll for this course, Digital Skills Toolkit. Yes, you see a lot of premium content that will help you get started. Or you can pay for my business consultation, which is this one. So go and check it. If you need a link to get to this place, just connect with me through the pinned comments. I can easily give you a link for any of my courses you want. This might sound crazy, but one good ebook can make more than a month's salary. That is if you promote it right. Yes, if you promote it right, one ebook or course can make more than a month's salary. Here is something most people don't realize. Your personal brand is your biggest online asset. Every tweet, post, or video you share is building your reputation. Even if you are not earning yet, start positioning yourself as someone who provides value. Opportunity will find you faster than you expect. Then people love saying, I don't have followers. But guess what? You don't actually need followers to make money. All you need is skills and a good offer. So that is how to earn money online for students. No hype, no shortcuts, just real strategies. So if you find this video helpful, Please don't just scroll away. Tell me in the comments which method you will try first. Then like this video if you have learned something. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because there are many more valuable contents coming your way. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified immediately I publish content here. Then to round it up, remember, consistency beats talent every single time. The funny part is, some people will watch this video and still do nothing. Do not be that person. I love you so much. Till next time, see you in my next videos.